Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to do a Louisiana warrant search. So to get started, visit louisianapublicrecords.org, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type this into your browser. And so on the home page you'll find quite a few public record databases available within the state. Some of these might be useful, but in this video we're going to focus on the warrant search side. So if you hover over more records, you'll notice there are special pages here, anything from background checks to inmate searches, and these would just be in more detail. These are typically the most sought after record types. So I'm going to go ahead and click on warrant search. And as you can see, the state of Louisiana doesn't have a statewide system to do a warrant search. If you scroll down, there's county level information. Now, some counties will provide a warrant list. This would typically be like a sheriff's department or like a city court that will just have an exclusive database. And then some of them will just, for some, if we couldn't find a list, we have contact information that you could use to check with like a local sheriff's department. Another thing that you can do is use court records, because any bench warrant, any arrest warrant has to go through a judge. And so anytime that happens, a court document is created and court records are considered public record. So now this depends how sensitive a case is, so it's not going to happen in every situation, but that is another way for you to research this information. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the background check page here, and what we have here are there isn't a statewide system to research court records in Louisiana, so you have to go to the local level, like parish, county level, and so we have covered like the most populous counties here, so you're able to find a clerk of court office, and they will typically have an online database that you can also research. So you have quite a couple of different ways of looking up warrants. And if you're researching criminal information, arrest information in general, we also recommend using the name search box on top. And what this does is it doesn't just look at information at the parish level, at the state level in Louisiana. It goes outside the state also. So it pulls records in from multiple states, multiple databases. What's great about it is it saves time, because it just compiles all these records into a single search, which is done almost instantaneously. Another great thing about it is if you are researching criminal information just in Louisiana, a person might have had a record in say Utah or maybe in Texas, and they ended up moving to Louisiana. If you're just doing a state search, you're not necessarily going to see that. So it gives you an opportunity to research a little bit wider and to have more information at your disposal. So it's a great tool in addition to of course the local tools. So with that said, come on down to louisianapublicrecords.org and get started on your Louisiana warrant search. Thank you.